The seats in my 2008 Ford Escape have received years of abuse from two children, a leaking sunroof that created a mildew odor, and I'm not sure if my wife sprayed the seats with coffee using a super soaker. But I noticed all of these stains after vacuuming the vehicle and decided it was time to clean the seat fabric. I found this Chemical Guys fabric clean product during an Amazon search with overwhelmingly positive reviews and at an affordable cost, so I figured I would give it a try. The directions suggest to mix the solution into a spray bottle at a 20-to-1 ratio. I guesstimated here, opting to go heavier on the solution and filled the bottle with very hot water. Since I felt that the spray bottle was for smaller coverage areas, I also filled half of a 5-gallon bucket with the mixture, and this stuff gives off a citrus aroma that's not too bad. Before applying the cleaning solution, make sure your seats have been vacuumed to remove heavy debris. The directions ask that you spray the stained area, agitate it with a scrub brush, and let it sit for at least 30 seconds. The next step is important. We need to remove the moisture in the dirty cleaning solution from the seats. I used a standard wet-dry shop vac as this is what I own, and I think it served the purpose well. I read that a hot water extractor works best, so if you have one, feel free to use it. Here are the front seats that showed water stains and had a mildew smell from the leaking sunroof. Through this whole process, we vacuumed, sprayed and scrubbed with our cleaning solution, allowed the solution to sit, and then vacuumed the solution from the seats. Super easy. Here are the backs of the driver and passenger front seats. These had kids' shoes constantly pushing on them, so they were full of dirt. And that's it. This is what we came from. And here is what the back seats look like after just one application of the cleaning solution. Let's take another look. Here's what we came from, and this is what it looks like now. I'm quite pleased with the results. I'd recommend doing this job on a hot day to expedite the drying process, but if that's not an option, be sure to use a fan directed at the seats to help things dry faster. If your seats are looking a little rough and you weren't sure if cleaning them would be an option, I'd encourage you to give it a try with some cleaning solution and a little elbow grease. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to receive notification of future content.